Welcome to Give Thanks, a podcast on gratitude. As always, I'm your host, Dr. Courtney Ziegler, and this is the third episode of our WellMoney series, where we're going to explore a truth that all of us live daily but seldom discuss: the vital intersection of health, well-being, and financial stability. As usual, with each of these podcast episodes, we highlight real gratitude notes from our community members that shine a light on the profound impact of WellMoney's support in changing the world. Today, we're talking specifically about healthcare. Have you ever noticed how your best days at work often align with your best health days? When we're physically and mentally well, and we're not just surviving, we're thriving, we bring creativity, productivity, and enthusiasm to our task. Me personally, when I'm tired or when I'm stressed about money, I don't operate well at work. I'm not a nice person. I don't eat well, so I make myself sick, right? When I'm feeling safe and confident about my finances and access to money and feeling a safety in my life, I know I feel better. Health matters. And taking care of ourselves is the power of healthcare support that WellMoney provides. And it's not just me saying this. Actually, 15% of WellMoney members who've shared gratitude notes have praised how the WellMoney community has played a pivotal role in boosting their health and well-being. So let's go through it. But before we dive in, let me remind you that these are real stories from real people who've experienced the life-changing impact of WellMoney's help. Their experiences are a testament to the power of community support. Our first gratitude note brings us face to face with the realities of healthcare access. It reads, "Thanks to all who donate to keep our community strong. My husband has a rare kidney disease and needed an expensive new test drug. You gave him a chance." No, thank you, WellMoney member. We appreciate you for being on the platform, and we're so glad that we could help you and your family stay safe and healthier. But can you all feel the weight of this message? It's a poignant reminder of the urgent need for accessible and affordable healthcare options, especially when facing rare and costly medical conditions. But what happens when this need isn't met? Let's look at the facts. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, about 26% of Americans struggle to pay their medical bills. This isn't just a personal crisis, though. It's a societal issue that echoes throughout our economy. I mean, as Americans, we know healthcare in our country is expensive. And if you lack financial resources to access healthcare of any kind, you're generally referred to lower quality resources, right? Or resources that don't have enough financial support to make them good resources, because there are people trying, there are clinics and there are things like that, and there are different groups and organizations that are working to make healthcare access a reality for all Americans. But the real deal is that it's hard out there. This medical debt in America contributes to over 66,000 personal bankruptcies in the United States every year. That is mind-blowing to me, but it's also where WellMoney steps in, because our platform provides financial support to people facing all kinds of healthcare expenses. It's because it's not just about paying bills or getting food or accessing transportation. It's about restoring dignity and ensuring peace of mind to lead a healthier life. So example, yes, the gratitude note, that person's husband's now safe. Man, what a stress relief off their shoulders. What a way to be able to go through a medical emergency and have safety and peace of mind to relax and heal your body after that. WellMoney is providing that, and so let's all give ourselves a round of applause. Now consider this next gratitude note. Thank you so much for helping me with my car repair. I don't know what I would have done without you. Now, at first glance, you might wonder, what does car repair have to do with health? But it has a lot to do with health. Let's think about it. How does a broken down car affect access to healthcare services, right? I mean, if you can't get nowhere, you can't go nowhere, basically, right? Reliable transportation is crucial for accessing timely and necessary medical care. WellMoney understands this connection and steps in to assist with car repairs. It's not just about getting the engine running, it's about ensuring that individuals can overcome transportation barriers and get the health care that they need. If you got to take a bus to the clinic, if you got to go get your medicine, if you don't even have a car and you got to walk somewhere, but you need some, nutrients or energy to get there, we help with all types of transportation to relieve the stress of not being able to get somewhere to take care of yourself. And at WellMoney, it's not just human care we're concerned with. Our next gratitude note reminds us of the significant role our furry family members play in our lives. The note reads, "Thank you for helping make my dog's last days less stressful. This was an unexpected and horrible loss. Lessening the financial burden was invaluable." Another member also used WellMoney support for their furry friend and furry family, actually, and it reads, "Thanks, everyone. My fur baby got her surgery and is doing fine. I'm so appreciative of everyone." Our pets aren't just cute companions. They're a source of unconditional love, emotional support, and even health benefits. I know this firsthand. I have a dog who is my emotional support animal. Shout out to Doe, who takes care of me and I take care of her, right? And a lot of people in our country have that experience. But providing veterinary care for our furry family can be costly. WellMoney steps in to help out pet owners manage these expenses, ensuring that our family members with fur get the care that they need and live a long life with our family. They are our companions. Finally, as we go to our last gratitude note, let's consider the power of relieving financial stress in the context of employment stability. This next gratitude note speaks volumes on that subject. It goes, "Tears are forming. Thank you for helping so quickly. You've changed my world. My stress has lifted, and I can now focus on finding work. So grateful." Thank you again, member, for this beautiful note. We're so glad that we can help you out, because if we can imagine the transformation where financial burdens are lifted and individuals can focus on their professional growth and success, that's a huge world-changing impact that we are making and that we are doing with WellMoney. It's not just about us providing emergency relief, but this relief allows people to, change the way they even view the world, to improve their social status, to go out and find new opportunities to, again, change their economic situation. And that's incredible. Each of these gratitude notes this week underscore the profound impact WellMoney has on the health and well-being of our members. By addressing barriers, supporting healthcare needs, and lifting financial burdens, WellMoney is not just helping people, we are transforming communities. Thank you for joining me on this third episode of Give Thanks. Remember, you can always become a member if you're not yet a member of WellMoney at well-money.com. Please share this podcast with someone in your network and let them know how they can also join the WellMoney community. Let's continue to enhance and live a beautiful life. Thanks.